Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this hologram video on CapCut PC. So select your video, and you're just going to copy and paste it, and you're going to go to cutout, and select auto cutout, and then you are going to go to effects. Then you're going to add in the blur. I don't know what it's called. Blu-ray scanning. That's what I meant. Sorry. And then here, let's just go back to basic and edit it a little bit. We want the glow to be like not a lot. And then we're going to up the strength though. And then we're going to scroll down. This is all under trending, by the way. So you're just going to find where it is here. You're going to get frosted quality and you're going to add it to your image as well. Let's go. Whoops. Let's go back to the effects section here, and you're going to blur it out a little bit, and you're going to add more noise. And that's it. You can delete the background if you'd like to. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.